Ready to find out how to send client forms, to review these completed forms, and where to locate the PDF copy once completed? If you haven't seen our part 1 video outlining how to create a new form, be sure to check that video out first. There are a few different places where a client form can be sent from. If your client is booking via the online booking platform, it's possible to select a form to be sent to them automatically upon booking online. You can do this from the online booking configuration area. If they've made a booking with you directly, then you can send the form from a few key areas, including via the booking in the diary. To do this, open the booking window, select Communications, Send Form, select the client form that you wish to send, and then you can choose to send the form to the client by email, SMS, or even to a clinic device such as an iPad. Today, I'm going to send the form to our client via email. As you can see here, the email message has defaulted to what we added into the form using the internal communication element. If they don't have an appointment yet, you can also send it from the client profile, from the profile page, client forms, or from the clinical note area, again selecting the client form button. Once the form has been sent, the client will receive the form via SMS or email, and it will ask them to enter their email address to verify their identity. They can then complete the form. Any fields completed on their client profile will already be showing, so they can skip or amend any of these fields. Once a form is completed, and depending on your approval settings for this form, you'll be notified via the notification center. If you have approval required, then you'll need to approve all changes and press Approve Changes. Now that we have approved the form, we will see on the client profile that the completed fields will auto-populate in the relevant sections on their file. And if you want to review the completed form in PDF, you can go into Documents, the Client Forms folder, and open the form from the relevant date. This is also where you can review any answers to the question elements that you may have added into the client form. As you can see, our client forms will streamline the intake process for you, saving you valuable time and effort. So get started today.